did a herb class today where everybody got to plant at least 3 pots of herbs, of basil and some other herbs, and learn a little bit about them, how to grow them, how to use them in cooking. We started with some really basic herbs today so that they can kind of get an idea of what the care is and using them, and gave a little bit about how to cook with them. And so once you start using them in fresh herbs, there's no comparison, fresh herbs to dried herbs at all. The big thing is for most herbs, pruning. You just got to keep pruning them. I mean, that's, and use them. Keep using them.
Today's event was for employees, and we had about 30 employees come out, and we planted herbs. And the purpose was to focus on healthy eating. So we used the herbs for healthy cooking, and also got some time to socialize with coworkers and enjoy the weather. And it might even lead to a new hobby, gardening.
We do a lot of education and just getting more people out and gardening and doing it right so that they all have a good experience. Because if you have a good experience, you're going to do it a lot more. It's just, we all make our mistakes and we learn from them. But just getting things right really makes things, you just appreciate them more, and you tend to grow from there. You can Google us at Anoka County Master Gardeners, and on our website it'll tell you if you want to become a master gardener. You don't need to know everything about gardening. The more we learn, the more we know that we learn. We don't know everything, and so we're just here to teach others, and because the University of Minnesota is such a great resource, all science-based. And there's spots for everybody. We do giving gardens that we feed the food shelves with. We do education. We have a diagnostic clinic every week on Wednesdays at the Bunker Hills Activity Center, that people bring all their sick stuff or they want to know what something is, and we're there, and it's all free.